Hey, this is Indian LifeHacker and today we are going to check out this cool off-road car and then after we will modify it. And yes, after this video, based on the like and share, one viewer will be chosen as a winner and he will get this cool off-road car as a prize. If you want to buy it, then you can go to description of this video. Over there you will also find some links for discount. This is a laser from a laser cutter which I had shown in my last video. Now I am going to fix it on our car. Laser is controlled separately from another remote. And here we go. I hope you guys liked it, and yes, one of you are going to win this car as a prize, so don't forget to like and share as much as possible. Thanks for watching and supporting us. Have a good day.